Hey people, this is the 10th syllabus video. Congratulations and celebrations to me. But anyway, I'm here to talk about the video title, chocolate. Chocolate is made from cocoa beans, and here is a simple summary of how to make it. I am not gonna explain each step, but one important phrase to note is this, high amounts of theobromine. This will be important in the later part of this video. But anyway, back to the sweet stuff. Who can ever forget the SpongeBob SquarePants meme of it, as the chocolate fish screams for it and spoiler alert, he buys all of the chocolate. Unfortunately, not every living being can enjoy the greatness of chocolate. Everyone probably knows this, but I need to emphasize this once again, chocolate is poisonous for dogs. Theobromine, as mentioned in the earlier part of this video, is the substance to be blamed. Fortunately for us humans, there are some added benefits to eating chocolate besides its sweet taste. Here is one of them. Oh okay, not this one then. Alright, this one right here. Cocoa products have a short-term effect of lowering blood pressure. Also, chocolate is considered to be a mood enhancer, even though it is a myth. That is alright because everyone likes delicious chocolate. It is an exquisite snack and people of all ages would not be ashamed to consume it. Furthermore, chocolate can be treated as a reward for, perhaps finishing your workload or homework or daily study. So, my point is, it does not matter if chocolate is proven to be beneficial or not, just consume it but not large amounts every single time. A small chunk or bite of it every other day will be enough. There can be too much of something which is good. It is about finding that balance in your diet. That's all for now and I shall see you next time.